Okay, so we're sitting here at the stove. I'm wondering, do you have any tips about maintaining the vent on both microwaves and the above range system?
So your range hoods and microwaves are all going to have some sort of filter on them. It's a pretty overlooked cleaning thing. It's not really going to be a safety or maintenance issue, but it's something that most people don't think about when they're doing their household cleaning. They all just pop out or have a little screw on them, and most of them can just be washed in sink with some warm water.
Okay, well, and so you said no safety issues, usually just
Not really. It's more of the overlooked thing than a major safety issue.
and so ones that have the kind that you purchase at Menards or Lowe's, how often should those be changed?
Really depends on your cooking habits. If you're cooking with a lot more oils and getting that greasy, it's going to be quite a bit more often.
Or if you're a bad cook like myself.
Or if you're burning, that'll happen quicker too.
Okay.